Alright, I'm gonna attempt to kickstart this bike here. I've never kickstarted anything in my life. Alright guys, this is my first time riding a dirt bike ever, and my friend put me on a Yamaha YZ450F. Let's see if I survive today, and let's see how dirt biking goes. So obviously, oh actually, you know, I can put both feet down. That's okay, that's what I was worried about. Oh no, I've stalled it. Let's try not to stall it again. Kickstarting is a absolute B. I'm getting the feel for it. Oh man, so much power. Oh wow. Whoa, hit a tree. Whew, okay, okay. Let's settle it down a bit. Let's go to second. I stalled it. Oh, yeah. I stalled it back there. Oh man, that front brake is so touchy. Let's see. All right, here we go. Okay, it's not going well so far, but oh man. Wow, wow. Oh man. Well, let me walk it up here. Let's go to second gear. Okay, here we go, here we go. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh man, she got some power. Okay. Whoa. Alright, gotta focus on my rear brake. I'm hitting too much front brake here. Oh yeah, rear brake is much better. That's the way it should be there. Front brake is honestly way too touchy. Here it seems like, oh man, that's a pain. I miss electric start. Whew. Oh, there it is. I dropped it. I'm not gonna lie, this is hard. Oh yeah, you really gotta slip the clutch on this thing. I know I'm lugging it a little bit, but I gotta slow down that throttle response. Wow. I don't know why I'm scared to take it down a hill. I go mountain biking all the time. Alright, here we go. So much power. Oh. Whiskey throttle here. I'm getting a little whiskey throttle. I can see why you don't let a beginner ride a 450. Alright, to rear brake. Here we go. Riding in sand now. Oh, whoa. Getting squirrely. Going around the corner. Put my foot out. Oh, nope. Throttle out. Here we go. Throttle out. Deep sand, deep sand. I think the idea is to give it more throttle under when you're turning, so it gets some grip, but I'm scared. I'm scared to lean it over in the dirt still. So I mountain bike a lot, so I thought I was, you know, more used to the dirt, but it turns out I'm actually not on a motorcycle, at least. I'm not used to having all this power to bring me through these trails here. Stand up here. Yeah, honestly, I think standing up is the way to go. And I also ride a lot of street motorcycles, so it's my first time ever dirt biking. Whew, I gotta say, I was getting pretty winded earlier trying to push this bike up the hill. There we go. As long as I don't stall it, we're in a good place. Seems like you really have to kind of work the clutch. You have to be really fine with your inputs. Oh, here we go, here we go. Oh, we're good, we're good. Oh, yeah, you have to be really precise with your inputs. Street riding is much more forgiving than this, for sure. Like, you really have to work the clutch and the throttle. I think street riding is a lot more straightforward. Just, you know, let out the clutch, go. Oh yeah, feels good going over those whoops. Oh, whiskey throttle here. Let's see, I think down this way. Man. Dirt biking stuff is hard. Whiskey throttle is real. I've never really had whiskey throttle on a sport bike or a street bike. Usually they're not geared like this though. Yeah, this thing wants to just bite your head off. Look at me hitting whoops. Hitting whoops. Am I a pro yet? Hitting whoops? I should sign up for supercross already. Look at this. Never leaves first gear also. Oh man. Alright, here we go. You gotta be really easy on the throttle here. Save that one. Okay, we're not gonna stall it here. Nope. Nope, we're not gonna stall it. Here we go. Oh yeah. See, I'm not used to really having to use the clutch friction zone. Oh man, the whoops, the whoops. I feel like I need to be in second gear for those whoops so I don't whiskey throttle it. And I'm learning to stand up a little bit on some of these bigger bumps. Like on my mountain bike, I mean, I stand up when I'm hitting bumps like this, so. Oh, yeah, throttle is really the problem with the whoops here. You gotta be super careful with the throttle here. You know, the suspension of the body is not a problem, it's the throttle control over those things. Yeah, these steep hills I just like to roll down with a little bit of rear brake. Oh no, 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 we're not stalling it, not today, boys. Oh man. All right, yeah, just roll it down, easy. Oh, of course. Hey-yo. There's a lot to think about when you're out riding a dirt bike. Oh, whiskey throttle. Like, you really got to manage the throttle and the clutch. And then you got to manage the brakes, and you got to manage the trail and stay on this tiny little trail. I'm using a lot of brain power here, guys. Especially since it's a 450. Oh yeah, steep hill. Steep hill. I'm just gonna roll it down here nice and easy. Use some rear back brake. Try not to lock up the brakes. Oh wow. Oh wow, she got some power. Yeah, oh man. No, no. No. Yeah, hill climbs are killing me with stalling it. It's alright. Just let it roll down a little bit. Okay. I'm still pretty bad at hill climbs. And going downhill as well. Okay, we're halfway up. I think the title of this video will be Yamaha YZ450 gets absolutely abused by a noob. Ah, my shin hurts. We're just gonna chill. Oh man, this is hard. Alright, I think we're wrapping up our ride here. What did I learn today? Dirt biking is very difficult.